What it is, y'all, it's your boy Doogie. Welcome to 31st Media, and as you can see, we're at SeaWorld, man. You know what I'm saying? Brought the fam to SeaWorld. So yeah, make sure y'all tap in, subscribe, man. We're gonna do some POVs on the rides, show y'all some of the animals, and just have a good time. So the first ride that we're gonna get on is gonna be the Manta. It's about a 10-minute wait. I got my GoPro, let's get started. Yo, check out this aquarium, man. It's dope, man. They got stingrays, school of fish. I don't know what kind of fish they are, bait fish or whatever, but it's dope, man. Really set the vibe for the ride. But I'm with all the smoke, man. Y'all don't know, man. I do these roller coasters, man. It's just the beginning. Yeah, stay tuned. We almost at the beginning of the line. Ooh, check us out. Oh, that's big in my life. Yeah, that was it. Boy, that first dip, boy, that shit is crazy. But I had fun. Shit. So we're gonna see what the next ride heading on. And hopefully I got some good shots with the GoPro too, man. Shit, let me know how y'all like that first ride, man. Drop some comments. Show me some love. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Say what's up to the people, man. Say what's up. You know, we all quarantined.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah. You getting on any rides?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't.
You gonna get on a ride with me? Why not?
I'm not even
What do I gotta do for you to get on a ride with me?
Where are we gonna put her?
Oh shit, you right.
Come on.
She'll get on a ride with me.
She probably would.
Shit, right now, man, we just getting a snack. It's hot out here. Whenever you get hungry, man, they be having these little snacks right here. This is a little panini cafe. Man, so I grabbed the turkey panini. They got like jerk seasoning on it. Honey mustard. Pretty good. All right, y'all, so the next ride we about to get on is the Mako. As y'all can see, man, I'm the only one getting on rides, but it's cool, you know. Candace watching the baby, so damn, where do I go? So it's all for a good cause. But you know, I'm gonna convince her to get on the ride one day. There's no wait for this shit either. next ride that we getting on is Journey to Atlantis. It's another water ride. And it looks fun, so let's see what it's looking like. Let me know how y'all liking the content, man. Y'all ever been to SeaWorld before? Drop in the comments. About to get on this good water ride. It don't look like it's a line either. At the bottom of the hill. Yeah, that was like, I don't know if it's because it wasn't a lot of people on there or what. It's kind of light. I ain't really get that wet. You know, but it's all good. I enjoyed it. Well, imagine me doing some shit like this in. Alright, y'all, so the last and final ride that we're gonna get in is the Kraken Unleash. Alright, so let's do it. Yeah, let me know how y'all enjoying this content, man, these vlogs. You know what I mean? I'm trying to really get into the attractions, sightseeing. You know what I mean? It's a lot of things to do in Florida. So I'm just trying to establish my brand and have fun at the same time. So yeah, drop a comment and let me know how y'all liking it, man. Also, you can add me on Instagram at 31st Doogie. And yeah, man, just tap in with me, man. We're gonna be like family in here. Just gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Sure.
Experiencing technical difficulties causing a brief delay in our normal operation. We expect this.
the Kraken. It was cracking. I fuck with that, man. It wasn't my first time being on there, but I enjoyed it. So yeah, that's the end of all the rides. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, stay tuned for the next one.